Hello friends, welcome to the Techlizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Colorful GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Year of the Dragon Limited Edition. So friend, the iGame Ultra GeForce Year of the Dragon Limited Series comprises three models: RTX 4060, 4060 Ti 8GB, 4060 Ti 16GB, all of which added to same factory overclocking configuration seen in the original iGame Ultra white models. And friend, the new design features a blend of white and gold dragon themes, adding to the visual features. Colorful new SKUs features custom Ultra logo. The company's Ultra offering had 7 different versions of RTX 4060 Ti 8GB alone. These variants include options with dual and triple fan coolers, as well as the unique Ultra Z series featuring concealed power connectors. So friend, if you liked my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.